Hey guys, welcome to the video on how to solve multi-step equations. So you've already worked a lot on how to solve just 1 and 2 step equations. So these ones are going to be a little different, but really the same. So I'm going to give you 3 steps to follow in order to make sure that you can make it through all of these. So first step, distribute anything that's necessary. Okay. So if you have any parentheses, distribute anything you've got. Start out with that. Okay, then you're just going to combine the like terms. And then you're just going to solve like you did the 1 and 2 step equations. So let's look at number 1. Let's look at these in action. Distributing if necessary. I don't see any parentheses, so we don't have to distribute. So we're just going to go on to step number 2, combine like terms. So we're going to look for all of the terms that have the same variable. So we have 9x and 7x, or negative 7x, sorry. Okay, we're going to look for the constants, 1 and negative 5, so the ones without variables. So I underline the ones with just x once, and then I underline the ones without x twice. So we're going to take the ones that go together now. So 9 minus 7, we're just going to combine them. 9x minus 7x. So you have 9 minus 7, gives you 2 x's. Okay, then we have this one minus 5, gives us minus 4. And then we still have this minus equals negative 20, so we didn't do anything to this side. We can only combine terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. So now we just have 2x minus 4 equals 20. And we're going to solve just like we did before. So we'll add the 4, but again we have to add the 4 to both sides because we're trying to get this x on its own. That's going to cancel out. I'm going to write it over here, giving us 2x equals, that's going to give us negative 16. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 2, giving us x, so those are going to cancel out, equals negative 8. Okay, so just follow the steps. Distribute if you need to, if you have parentheses. Combine like terms, so underline the ones that you need together, combine them, and then solve. So if we look at number 2, we're going to start out with step 1, distribute. We have parentheses, so we can actually distribute. Whatever's being multiplied on the outside of the parentheses, we're going to multiply it by everything inside of the parentheses. So we're going to make sure everything is distributed evenly. So we still have this 91 equals negative 7 times 3a is going to be negative 21a. Negative 7 times negative 1 is just going to be a positive 7. Okay, so you just make sure you multiply that negative 7, not just 7. Make sure you multiply the negative 7 by everything in there. And then from there, we're just solving. So if we have this plus 7, we're going to subtract 7, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side because, again, we are trying to get this a on its own. So 91 minus 7 is going to give us 84, okay, equals, we still have this negative 21a, and then those canceled out. And then to get this a on its own, we need this negative 21 out of the way. Since it's being multiplied, we're going to divide by negative 21. Again, remember the negative sign. Okay, so the negative 21 is going to cancel out, giving us just a on one side. Then 84 divided by negative 21 is going to give us negative 4. Again, you can type that in your calculator. Okay, so you're just solving. So you're going to start out by distributing anything you have in parentheses, combine the terms that you have similar if you need to, and then solve from there. Okay, so I'm going to go over number 4. I want you to try number 3 on your own. So first, again, we're going to start by distributing. So we need to distribute this negative 3 to everything. And then since we have these parentheses, we need to distribute this negative sign to everything. Okay, we still have to distribute the negative sign. So starting on this side, negative 3 times k is going to give us negative 3k. Negative 3 times negative 8 is going to give us positive 24. Okay, negative times k, you're just going to change the sign. So negative k. Negative times positive 5 is going to be negative 5. Because you're just multiplying by this negative 1 here. Okay, and then we still have this equals 23. Okay, so we're just distributing everything that we've got. Now we're going to combine the like terms. So this has a k in it, and this has a k in it. This doesn't. This doesn't. Nothing to do on that side. So we have negative 3 minus 1 more k gives us negative 4k. 24 minus 5 is going to give us 19. And we still have this equals 23 on this side. Okay. We need to get k on its own now, so we're to the point to where we're solving. So we need rid of this plus 19. We'll subtract 19 from both sides. We're still going to have this negative 4k on this side. 19 minus 19 is going to cancel out. Equals 23 minus 19 is going to give us 4. Now, all we have to do, we have negative 4 times k, so we're going to divide by negative 4 because it's multiplying. Those are going to cancel out. Again, remember, make sure you cancel out the negatives just to give us k. Okay, and that's just going to give us negative 1. So, distribute everything you need to distribute. If you have a negative sign like that, make sure you distribute it out. Combine all the ones with one variable. Combine the ones without the variable, the constants. Okay? And then solve like you would usually. I want you to try all of them up until number 10. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any problems. Let me know if you need help immediately, and I'll help you the best I can. And I will see you guys later. Bye.